I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics that actually block alerts. First, update the Facebook app and your device OS. Outdated code often disables push. Next, open Facebook settings and ensure notifications are turned on for the account and for specific channels like posts, tags, and messages. Once done, check the device level controls. Disable Do Not Disturb, turn off battery saver, and make sure mobile data, or Wi-Fi, is allowed to deliver background notifications. Now you tackle deeper causes inside the app and system. Clear the Facebook cache or uninstall and reinstall to remove corrupted files. That often restores push registration. Then, check app permissions. Allow background data, storage, and show notifications so the system can deliver alerts. Within Facebook, reset notification preferences for channels and linked accounts. You should also log out and back in to refresh token registration. Once these are applied, restart the device to let settings take effect. Finish by testing and isolating the problem to confirm success. Send a message, tag yourself, or toggle a follow alert to provoke a notification. Watch both app and system indicators. If nothing appears, remove or disable potential conflicts like third-party battery savers, cleaners, or strict VPN profiles because they can block push services. If problems persist, try signing into your account on another device. If notifications work there, the issue is local to your original device settings or firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.